All right, all right, all right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday, December the 15th. It is 8 a.m. All right. And y'all know what it is, man. Y'all know what it is. It is pre-New York session. We're looking at what opportunities we may come across during the pre-New York session. All right. So um we'll start out by looking at the AUD pairs that we were looking at, AUD, CAD, and AUD, JPY. As you can see, yesterday, we pretty much got a no entry. Let me go to the hourly. All right. Yeah, we got a no entry on our trade uh on this yesterday. As you can see, we never crossed our entry line. All right. This is why I was telling you all, it's best not to just jump in just because you see an idea and kind of wait for them to develop, because basically, again, like I said, I mean, it's giving us a better entry. It looks like we just got a double bottom on the hourly chart. I'm sorry, I don't know what's up with this. Okay, refresh this real quick. AUD. Okay, just got an alert on AUD. AUD. All right. So yeah, so it looks like we may have a possible double bottom here. So we'll see how this actually ends up holding up, right? Where were we at? We were on the hourly. There we go. That's why I look different. Okay. Just trying to make sure, y'all. Either way, on this one, we got some support here. So basically, what I was saying is that yesterday I didn't believe that price would come all the way down, but it does look like price is coming down to test this level of support, because it was in a downward trend. So if this level holds, which it does, which I do believe it will, all right, then this is our area to buy. All right, this is our area to buy. But basically, what I was saying was, yesterday, this was the idea that we came up with, and price basically almost reached our entry or just about did, and it reversed back the other way. But I mark it up like this because if price does not cross that line, basically we got a no entry, right? So we just got a better setup, in my opinion. It's pretty much going to be the same thing. We know this by now across the board. We drew this diagonal trend line again yesterday. We got a no entry on this. All right, price basically went straight to that line. So I definitely think that AUD JPY is good for a buy. AUD CAD also, I believe, is good for a buy. What I'll do is put it down like put it down like this. And it'll look a lot better. All right, that looks sweet. That looks sweet. GBP JPY. Now, we were doing our analysis on the GBP pairs, and we were saying that price could basically come up to this line here and possibly turn back the other way. But now that we're getting into the week, all right, it does appear that we are going to be getting some bullish momentum. Now, the thing is, though, is that I am afraid that this looks like a head and shoulders pattern right there. All right. So possibly price could come up and still reject back the other way. So just be careful with trading any of these GBP pairs. All right, the weekly is trending upward. The daily is now pointing upward. So those signs are saying that, bullish. All right, the bullish. GBP CAD. Again, we already know that these are kind of mimic each other. All right, we are at, it looks like, a daily level of support. So I wouldn't be surprised to see, it's just my idea, y'all. It's just my idea. Just to the left shoulder. All right, that looks good. Go to GA, just like that. Yesterday we got a no entry. All right, but I mean, it's pretty much just gonna move that over. All right. Because we're still talking about the same old thing. All right. Daily, let's go look at the daily. See if we got the head and shoulders here. Sorry about my computer. All right, so again, delete that. Move it over. Want to see price break this level. All right. Now I was trying to show you the daily. All right. And same thing, we're going basically up to this right shoulder. All right. I'm looking for that long body candle for our target area, our target zone. All right. So again, everything right now looks bullish across the board. All right. I did not mark up one for GJ. This one is just, to me, it's kind of close. Because we're already kind of at that right shoulder. So I say maybe just up to here. It's probably isn't going to give us that much risk, a good risk to reward. Even with that, we negative. We're actually looking at it again. This is the right shoulder here. All right. So put our fire here right there. All right, yep, that looks good. That looks good. All right, so again, it looks like we're looking bullish across the board. I think same thing. We'll even take a look at gold. We see that it is in that wedge pattern. All right, it looks like we're going up to daily support. It does look like we got a cross there. All right, we're trending up on the 4 hour. So this should be interesting because it does look like this could be head and shoulders. Notice how I'm identifying the same patterns over and over again. The reason why is because when you find a couple patterns that you're good at recognizing, those are trades you want to be taking the most, right? 2 hour, looking real bearish. All right, gold. May not want to mess with this gold. I think I seen like a double bottom, 5 minute. Not seeing anything there. The hourly. All right, here, just that right there. Boom, boom. All right, so this could be a double bottom. I'm very interested to see what price does at this level. All right. Because if we can break that level, then I'll feel confident that we can get back to the top of this zone. But if not, yeah, it's a 30-minute looking like. All right, so again, we want to see what this level is doing. Sorry, I just, oh, we broke the level. Right? So that's what I'm saying. So we broke the level. Now we want to close above that level. All right. So that price can continue upward. Right? That's what we want. That's what we wanted. All right. And again, we read that off of this double bottom. All right. Double bottoms usually mean, again, it's not always, it's not 100% of the time, but usually means that, there's going to be a reversal, a bullish reversal, usually going back to the top of the zone, right? Sorry, y'all, I need to. Okay. All right. So yes, again, we're looking at bullish opportunities across the board. I even looked at the SPX. Let's go to SPX. Do one more for y'all. Then I need to type up these ideas and get them posted. SPX 500. Sorry for the slowness. All right. So I don't know what's going on with this, but anyway, so right now we're looking at very bullish. We're looking for the market to be overall bullish today across the board on these AUD and GBP pairs. And I'm also looking at SPX 500 being bullish, gold being bullish, and I'm crossing my fingers that Bitcoin is bearish today. All right, but with that being said, y'all, I appreciate it. Let me get these ideas typed up. Hopefully, you are beginning to see the thought process behind using the stochastic, right? Using the moving average cross, right? And looking to the left, predicting right, reading left, predicting right, aiming for those large body candles for your exit or your take profits, right? Looking at the next area of consolidation, the next level of resistance or support as your stop loss, right? Or two levels if you can. But appreciate it, y'all. I'm having some technical difficulties right now, but I'll get these posted momentarily. And this video is recorded so that you can look at it at your leisure. Have a good one. Call is officially over.